Meet Felix. He just spent $100,000 to look like a winner. He wants Sam to be jealous, but Felix doesn't realize he didn't just buy a car, he bought a massive invisible weight. The moment Felix leaves the lot, the depreciation anchor drops. In 2026, a luxury car loses 20% of its value the second the tires touch the street. Felix is driving a wealth killer on four wheels. With every mile, the car gets smaller, but the debt stays the same size. Felix is working 60 hours a week just to feed a shrinking asset. He's trapped in a high-speed race to zero. Eventually, the anchor is too heavy. Felix is in the debt pit. He looks rich on Instagram, but his bank account is a graveyard of monthly payments, insurance, and high-tech subscriptions. Now look at Sam. His truck is worth $5,000, but his silent portfolio is worth $2 million. Sam doesn't spend his time paying for a car. His car and his entire life is paid for by the companies he owns. He chose freedom over flexibility. Wealth is what you don't see. It's the money that stays in your pocket and multiplies while you sleep. Felix bought a look. Sam bought life. Which one are you driving toward? Stop buying anchors. Start building skyscrapers. Subscribe to Business World, Money and Wealth, and download our asset allocation guide in the description.